We are talking about a device that finally kills the notch, brings a staggering 24 gigabytes of RAM to a tablet, and introduces a display so bright it makes the sun look dim. Welcome to Tap Tech. Today, we are diving into the ultimate laptop killer, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra. This isn't just another incremental update, it is a total industry shift that is about to change how we define mobile workstations forever. If you've been waiting for the moment when a tablet truly replaces your desktop, this is it. We have the latest authentic supply chain leaks from South Korea, including the revolutionary under-display camera 2.0, the new Grade 5 titanium build, and the insane benchmarks of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. Stick around until the end, because I'm revealing a secret software feature called Neural Decks that might actually make you sell your laptop. The first thing you'll notice about the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is that it looks like it's from 5 years in the future. Samsung has finally achieved the dream, a no-notch design. For years, the Ultra line has had that little cutout for the dual front-facing cameras, but for 2026, it's gone. Samsung is reportedly using under-display camera 2.0 technology. This isn't the blurry, low-res UDC we saw on earlier Fold models. This is a high-density sensor array that disappears completely when you're watching a movie or sketching, but delivers crisp 4K video calls when you need them. And let's talk about the chassis. Following the success of the S24 and S25 Ultra phones, the Tab S12 Ultra is moving to a Grade 5 titanium frame. Why does this matter? Because a 14.6-inch tablet can get heavy. By switching to titanium, Samsung is making the S12 Ultra thinner and stronger than the S11 Ultra, while actually reducing the weight. It's expected to be just 5.0 millimeters thin. Think about that, a device more powerful than most laptops that is thinner than a pencil. This new material choice isn't just about weight, it's about thermal management. Titanium combined with a new vapor chamber design means this tablet can run at peak performance for hours without throttling, a common pain point for previous generations. But the real star of the show is the screen. We're looking at a Gen 3 tandem OLED display. If you thought the previous models were bright, get ready for 3000 nits of peak brightness. This is specifically designed for professionals in the US and Europe who work outdoors or in high-glare environments. Whether you're a photographer color grading on site or an architect showing blueprints at a sunny construction site, this display will be perfectly visible. It's a 14.6-inch canvas with a 94% screen-to-body ratio, making it the most immersive tablet on the planet. Now, let's get into the raw power, because this is where the Tab S12 Ultra leaves the competition in the dust. Under the hood, we are getting the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. The early benchmarks are absolutely staggering, rivaling the Apple M5 chips in multi-core performance. But the real kicker? The RAM. For the first time ever, Samsung is offering a 24 GB LPDDR6 RAM variant. You heard that right, 24 GB of RAM in a tablet. Why do you need that much? It's all about the new Neural Decks and AI. In 2026, AI isn't just a gimmick, it's integrated into every layer of the OS. With 24 GB of RAM, the Tab S12 Ultra can run massive AI models locally without needing the cloud. We're talking about real-time video editing with AI-generated backgrounds, instant language translation in live meetings, and complex coding environments all running simultaneously. This is the first tablet that won't refresh your apps even if you have 50 Chrome tabs and a 4K video project open at the same time. For the creators out there, the S Pen Pro 3 is also getting a massive overhaul. The new pen features localized haptic feedback. This means when you draw on the screen, the pen vibrates slightly to mimic the feel of actual paper, or the resistance of a paintbrush, or even the scratch of a pencil. It makes the digital art experience feel incredibly tactile and real. Plus, the latency has been dropped to a near 1.8 milliseconds. It is, quite literally, as fast as ink on paper. Furthermore, the S Pen now includes a miniature gyro sensor, allowing for gesture controls that actually feel intuitive, like flipping through a 3D model just by rotating the pen in the air. Battery life has always been a concern for these massive tablets, but Samsung has a soul. Yushin. The Tab S12 Ultra is rumored to house a 12,200 mAh battery. But more importantly, it's finally moving to 80W ultra-fast charging. No more waiting 2 hours for your tablet to juice up. You'll be able to get from 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes. For the on-the-go professional, this is a total game-changer. They've also introduced Smart Battery Bypass, allowing you to plug the tablet into a monitor and power the device directly from the cable, preserving your battery's health over years of heavy professional use. Now, let's talk about the software, because this is the secret sauce I mentioned earlier. Samsung is debuting Neural DeX. This isn't the DeX you know. It's a complete desktop overhaul that supports native windowing, external GPU support through the USB 4 port, and a specialized hybrid AI mode. This mode allows the tablet to bridge with your Windows PC or Mac, using the tablet's NPU to accelerate AI tasks on your computer. It turns the Tab S12 Ultra into the ultimate secondary brain for your workflow. Regarding the price and availability, expected the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra to launch in late 2026, likely around September. In the US, the base model is rumored to start at $1,299, with the 24GB RAM and 2TB storage monster pushing closer to $1,800. It's a premium price, but when you consider it replaces both a high-end tablet and a professional laptop, the value proposition starts to make a lot of sense. Samsung is also expected to offer aggressive trade-in deals, potentially giving up to $800 for your old S11 or iPad Pro, making this jump much easier for early adopters. Samsung is no longer playing it safe. They are swinging for the fences with the S12 Ultra, aiming to capture the hearts of power users who are tired of the limitations of iPadOS and the bulk of traditional laptops. This is a masterclass in mobile engineering, and from what we've seen in these authentic leaks, it's going to be the device to beat for years to come. The sheer synergy between the hardware and the new AI-driven software layer suggests that Samsung has finally figured out how to make a tablet that doesn't just feel like a giant phone, but a genuine silicon powerhouse. So, here is the big question for the Tap Tech community. Does 24GB of RAM and a titanium build make you finally ready to ditch your laptop for a tablet? Or is 14.6 inches just too much screen for you to handle? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one and I'll be jumping in to discuss these specs with you. If you found this deep dive into the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra helpful, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you these exclusive tech updates. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a beat in the world of premium tech. We've got a lot more coming on the S26 series and the upcoming foldable revolution, so you definitely want to stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching Tap Tech. We appreciate your support more than you know. Keep pushing the boundaries of what your tech can do, stay curious, and I will see you in the next one. This is Tap Tech, signing off.